Hello. Following almost immediately on from the last vlog. This gets some attention after these hands. I'm telling you what, I'm gonna have a full, what was it called? What's the new with the princess?
I kind of remember, I vaguely remember it.
Right.
Remember we watched that one where there was like a girl who really wanted to be a princess and she turned into one of the bad guys, and then there was that one who wanted to look like elves and she turned into the good guy. Like, you know, and one of them turned into princess and one of them turned into like... Yeah.
My memory's not doing it today. That's not the same one, no. God, what is it called? Princess Diaries. Honestly, I'm losing it. It's Princess Diaries. We've come to Costa, partially because I've got to drop off a key that I've just had made for my friend Molly, who is looking after Manny part of the time we were away. The other part of the time, it is our old childminder, who's now a dog sitter. So, I'm meeting with Molly and Karen, because I also have to drop some stuff off for Karen as well. Can you believe, and I don't know if this is actually true, but I'm going to say it is, I've never had an iced coffee before. I thought it would be a good time to try it, since Florida might not be conducive with hot coffee, but caffeine will be necessary. What I was trying to say earlier was, I'm going to have Princess Diaries style transformation because this tired face needs some help. Also, iced coffee. It's not for me. So we're actually going down to the airport tomorrow after work. And today I'm finally packing. I wanted to specifically mention a lot of stuff I bought was from Vinted over the past 6 months. But I found a black version of this swimsuit, brand new. It was originally from Boohoo. It was like a scoop neck and a low scoop back swimsuit on Vinted. Loved it so much, I looked for more. I found a blue and white striped one, again, brand new, and a red one, full Baywatch swimsuit. And again, I think I bought like all three of them for less than one, and they were all new. I know I never stopped talking about Vinted, but I did have to wean myself off, to be honest. I have bought a couple of new things, but I might do some kind of outfit of the day type stuff while we're there to show you. And then I've got on this case down here and this pile here is all tie-dye stuff that I still have to put some iron-on motifs on that I did on a Cricut ages ago. In the midst of all of that madness, because why would I not? My brother said, did I want to take the kids to play area? So, and again, if you know me at all, you will know soft play, worst place in the entire world. But I thought, yes, Milo can go and kind of run off some energy because he's been stuck in the house, and I can see the baby. So we took them to the play area for 2 hours. Are you coming? Yay! Are you having fun?
I got my own dance follower.
Somebody is all played out. Some sleepy eyes. I did, however, finally wash the hair mask out of my hair. And I've put on a little bit of fake tan. Just the Dove Summer Body this morning. I feel like it's already developing. I put it on first thing this morning. Threw our sheets in the wash because I'm going to change all the bedding for Molly before we leave. Yeah, I'm like, it feels like, as always, 10% of everything is done. So there's loads left to do, but I've just chipped away a little bit of everything. So Molly doesn't have a dog. She has a cat, she doesn't have a dog, and she requested a pooper scooper, right? So I got this thing. This is, I looked on Amazon, I'm like, which is going to be the one? This looked quite compact. You can kind of put it on the dog lead. But of all the ones that I saw, it was the one that made the most sense to me for how it works. So you take it out of its little thing, and it's a claw. A claw, it's like a little claw. When I was a kid, we had a pooper scooper for my first dog when I was 11, so this is a long time ago now. But I remember it being just this like black plastic thing where basically you may as well, like you've got 10 times more likelihood of getting something on your hands using that as if you just used the bag inside out. This is special. Also, I'm not sure how you get it out, but on the inside of this, you can see that is the roll of bags Oh. And there it is. This is magical. That is me done with work for almost 3 weeks. It's a good feeling, but not a better feeling than finally sorting out these nails. I took some screenshots of some pictures yesterday because I just thought, God, I don't even know what I'm going to ask her to do to my nails. So I took a few screenshots. We'll see. I'm kind of feeling like a watercolour, cloudy thing with maybe some stars. I don't know. I'm just trying to think, like, if Disney were nails without being specific. I had to repack because the first case was too large to fit in the car. The little light up sticks that say, "Welcome to Heathrow." Here are the nails. We went back and forth, but this was what we ended up with. I love them. She did it's like extra sparkly because she did, I don't even know what it was. It was like solid gel or something, I want to say. God, this lighting is not helping the focus at all. But it was like a solid gel that she used to paint them on, and then she used like a chrome powder, and the chrome powder left just a little dusting of sparkle, so you can see there. It's magical nails. Anyway, so we got to the hotel last night super late for multiple reasons. There's always traffic on the way back on the way to Heathrow at night when we come, which is why we always like to stay the night before, just to be on the safe side. Our flight today is not actually till like 4 something, so we didn't have to stay overnight, but you just never know. Not worth the risk. And once we put all the cases in the car, we realised that the configuration we had didn't work, because in the past we've all had smaller cases, so I had to repack. It's a whole thing. And then once we got to the airport, because I did that quickly, I kind of reshuffled everything. I never got around to doing the T-shirts, so I ended up doing that last night, which is fine. Everyone went to sleep and I was like, this is my time. So I was up till 4 o'clock in the morning ironing decals that I'd cricketed onto T-shirts. But that's done. It's another check, because I almost thought, well, I'll just bring them and I'll do them at the villa, but it's done now. It means that I can leave a load of stuff in the car, which is good. More space in the case is always a good thing. And yeah, it's the morning of. This afternoon we will fly to Florida. So I'm going to leave you there. Thank you for watching. I don't know how much, I'm going to vlog a ton while we're there, but I don't know how much I'm going to want to edit while we're there, because it's a much longer holiday than we usually have. And we've got a lot more space. We'll see how we feel, but I'm not committing to anything. So I might be away for a stretch of time, or you might see a vlog in a couple of days. But either way, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.